So this is my dog Charlie, and he doesn't mind getting his feet wet. Down at the beach, it's my other dog, Beau. Hello, Beau. And what's interesting is that when I actually got Beau about 5 years ago, I found him on the tram tracks in Fleetwood, and he was all knotted up and looked like he hadn't been eaten for probably about a week, maybe. Dehydrated, cold, it was raining, shivering, and the seagulls were actually dive bombing and attacking him, and I think he'd given up all hope. And of course I went across and I picked him up, cuddled him up, took him home, bathed him, fed him, reported him to the RSPCA, who said if nobody contacts you within a month to say that they've lost a chihuahua, then you can have him. So 5 years later down the line, you can guess what happened. Nobody claimed him. So I've no idea how long he was on the streets for. But what's interesting is that we have some seagulls on the beach now, and I mean, this is 5 years later, and now he runs at them. He's got the confidence to chase them. So when from giving up all hope to actually becoming a right character, and he loves coming down to the beach. Anyway, so there's my two doggies. Here I am at Cleveley's, trying to give you an accurate idea. I don't know where I am actually. I am in Cleveley's. Let's see if I can recognise anything. Oh yeah, so there's the roundabout between Ankersholm and Cleveley's. There's that little shelter, and straight down that road will take you to I think it's Victoria Road West. Anyway, so here I am on the beach with my dogs, and coming down obviously to see if we can see Barrow in Furness today. And even though the conditions are a bit tough, we do actually see them. Put that in your globe pipe, globers. Yes, I know, where have you gone? Come on, boys. You gonna go in the water again? No, and he never goes in the water. Wonder if he's going to go after these seagulls now. Last time he walked down like this, but he did. I think he's getting his revenge on them. Let's see. Let's follow him. Oh, he's heading towards him. He's going for him. He's going for them. He's going for him. Hey! And the thing is, he's no bigger than a seagull. He literally is about the same size as a seagull. So maybe it's because he's got his big brother with him that he's got all this confidence. But it's just nice to see, and it's also nice to see Barrow in Furness again. Happy days. This is quite funny. We're being dive bombed by a very mad seagull. Here it's taking a dive at my dog now. Oh! Oh, here we go. Is he going to have another go? I think he's going to circle around and come back. I'm pretty sure of it. This is about the 4th time he's done it now, so yeah, he's lining himself up. There it is, there's a little bugger. Yeah, he's circling around. Here he comes. Here he comes. No, now he's on the lamppost. I'll report you to the police. harassment. Yeah. Oh, he's going for it again. Coming in. Here he is. Here he is. Here he is. Here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes. I don't know if I'm capturing it, if I'm actually continuing to capture this, but it is quite funny. Tell ya, I'm going to report you to the police, mate. Oh, here he comes. He's going to take a dive bomb again. Look, look, look. Oh! Ah! Oh, this is hilarious. Oh, circling around again. He's thought better of it this time. He's ran off now. Gone onto that rooftop over there. I know which one you are, mate. Police are on the way. Police are on the way. Well, you got away scot-free there, boys. He was not happy with you, was he? I think he wanted to eat you. Picked you up and took you off for his dinner. Yeah, I think he's had enough now. Yeah, oh, Charlie and Beau went running after them. I missed it. Yeah, you're getting your own back now. Yeah, don't blame you. I think they're protecting the young. So it would seem. You big bully. Bully.